Hi, welcome back to the Kitos YouTube channel, where we talk about the latest security news and the latest updates to our security toolset. Today, I'm very excited to announce the integration of EZCA with Azure Sentinel. So starting today, you can link EZCA to Azure Sentinel and create alerts for different events that happened with your certificate authorities, either creating a new certificate authority, renewing it. And as always, we have a lot of documentation on how to use it and all the details of the implementation. So if you prefer a text version, the link is down below and it will guide you through everything, as well as it will have all the different events that we collect and their events ID. A lot of them are very similar to ADCS. So if you already have alerts in your Azure Sentinel, you can use similar queries to create the same alerts. And as well, we have some sample queries down here that you could use to actually create alerts in Azure Sentinel. So to connect it, it's as simple as going to your settings, clicking advanced settings, and then you're going to select set audit logs to SIEM, and then you're going to select Sentinel. And here you have to go to your logs analytics that is connected to your Sentinel. You're going to go to agents management, workspace ID. You're going to copy it. You're going to paste it. Then you're going to copy the key and you're going to paste the key. Here you can do a test connection. We're actually just going to create a quick object to make sure that EZCA can connect to it. After that, you save changes and all your events will be then sent to Azure Sentinel, where you can create dashboards, alerts, and centralize all your security management. Thank you for watching, and we hope you love this integration as much as we did.